In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom AI chatbot to WordPress in minutes no-code app builder. If you're looking to enhance user interaction on your WordPress site and provide intelligent, dynamic responses to your visitors, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have successfully integrated a powerful AI chatbot into your website, all without writing a single line of code. The process is straightforward, beginner-friendly, and makes use of WordPress's built-in tools alongside Jetpack AI search. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. This is the starting point to access and manage your WordPress site. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in page for your WordPress account. Now, to keep the login process quick and secure, click on the Continue with Google option. This method not only saves time but also enhances security by leveraging Google's authentication system. You'll be prompted to select the Google account linked to your WordPress site. Simply choose the correct account, and you'll be signed in and ready to go. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. Here, you'll find a section called Quick Links. Under this section, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the WordPress site editor, where we'll be adding the AI chatbot. Within the site editor, look to the top left corner of the page. You'll see a small plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the block search bar, which allows you to add different functionalities to your site. In the search bar, type the word chat. After a moment, you'll see a list of options appear. From the options displayed, locate and click on Jetpack AI Search. This is the block we'll use to integrate the AI chatbot into your site. Jetpack AI Search is a powerful tool that uses machine learning to provide intelligent and relevant responses to your visitors. By adding this feature, you'll significantly enhance the user experience on your website. Once you've clicked on Jetpack AI Search, WordPress will add the block to your site. At this point, confirm the addition of the block, and you're done. The AI chatbot is now successfully integrated and ready to use. And that's how you add a custom AI chatbot to WordPress without any coding. With Jetpack AI Search, your site now has a smart, interactive feature that can engage with visitors and make their experience more dynamic. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.